Equations of motion. First equation v equal to u plus at and then s equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation v square equal to u square plus 2as. The initial speed of runner is 10 meter per second and the final speed is 20 meter per second. The length of track is 100 meter. Find the acceleration achieved by a runner. We will take third equations. V square equal to u square plus 2as. Here u is a initial speed. Initial speed is 10 meter per second and then final speed is 20 meter per second. Final speed is 20 meter per second and the length of track is s equal to 100 meter. So we will substitute these equations. V square means 20 whole square equal to u square means 10 square plus 2 into a into 100. A into then s is 100 meter. 20 square means 400 equal to 10 square 100 plus 2 into 100 200 a. Here 400 minus 100 equal to 200 a. 400 minus 200 300. 300 equal to 200 a. Then acceleration a equal to 300 divided by 200. 20 cancel. 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. Then a equal to 1.5 meter per second square. 1.5 meter per second square. Acceleration a equal to 1.5 meter per second square is the correct answer.